So this water bottle, really nice water bottle. It's metal, but the paint is starting to peel off. So I'm just using some sandpaper and getting the rest of the paint off. But it got me thinking about STEM education, about critical thinking skills, and even design thinking. And we as educators, one of the things we can do is we can help our kids think about the products that they buy. When we see them using something in the classroom or talking about something that they bought at home, we can encourage them to think about, do they buy a product based on just what they like, what it looks like, or maybe by which one is cheapest? But instead, we should be thinking about a lot more things like, is it sustainable? Is it something that can be melted down and remade into something else? Is it something that can be fixed or repaired, or is it going to last, basically limitlessly forever? So help your kids think about something like that today, and I'll keep getting this ready to keep using it, keep myself hydrated in the classroom.